We support all activities of IPOB, Ohanaeze, Ndigbo, and we will fully back them up, and we condemn the proscribed of a terrorist organization by federal government, Ohanaeze, Ndigbo. No be small thing, no. They say Hope Uzodinma, women of Imo State cry out for Hope Uzodinma destroying their crops. Wahala. Okay, my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to give us a follow so that you go to get our updates back to back as they happen. Remember, say for this channel, now legit updates with the carry as they happen, and so they bring at the can give you. Okay, my people, let's look into the Ubenge news we will get for our table today. Oh, no be small thing. One Ohanaeze don't come outside. Cry come out to say, hey, they no get problem with IPOB. We will play you the video, may you watch, and we'll come back and continue.
So, onye ga-amụta nwa hari na-ekpe ekpere ka nwa ya ghara ike ya. IPOB na Ohanaeze nwere nsogbu, and ịgbakọ ife IPOB na-eme 90% of it I dey behind it. Ohanaeze I dey behind IPOB's activity. That IFIG Bamba n'isi na ndị IPOB ndị na-egbu mmadụ ma onwebe onye baburu. Ihe anyị na-agwa federal government ha jide ndị a na-azụ ebi na-egbu mmadụ no about terrorists. IPOB is never terrorist, and Ohanaeze never accepted the ban on IPOB as a terrorist. We never accepted that, and we will never accept that. So the activities to redress the injustice and fairness denied to Igbo nation. That's all. O nwere ihe maro. Anyị nwa aha metụtara mgbe anyị dị n'Ghana nọ anyị dị 13 years. Ife ngabigere oge ahụ. O nweghị ka iwe obi ife gbasara Biafra afa. My brother, ikwu okwu ọjọọ maka ha, aga m egbu ha egbu. Ihe na-achọ ịgwa gị na ife anyị jiri anya anyị fụ. At 13 years, I saw no news if I had them before. At 13 years, near for something kilometers. It is average Igbo man, Igbo, the late brother Igbo man, will be reacting anytime. Biafra a movement that nothing can stop. It cannot die.
My people, welcome back. As I've watched that video and hear this word, this man is saying that IPOB has no problem with Ohanaeze Ndigbo, that they are fully in support of what IPOB is doing, but rather they are condemning the herdsmen who are killing people randomly in their farms. So do you really agree on what this man is saying? Because we have seen Ohanaeze, Nyawood, and so other that have come aside to condemn Nandikalo and most of them. I think it's because of the new development of non-government visiting them that a lot of them are changing their mouths to say the truth. So my people, what do you think about this video and what this man said? Okay, let's go and look into the next Obonge news where we'll get for hand. Not be smarting. They say Hope Uzodinma don't destroy crops of women, and those women are crying, begging for rescue, because they say that this is the only source of their living. They don't have water to fish, and they don't have other source of income apart from farming cassava, and their cassava has been destroyed by Hope Uzodinma government. So we are going to also play you that particular video for you to watch, and we will come back and continue.
I don't know how to the man. These are just the So this is not just the issue of taking people's property. The issue is that people's property crops have been demolished. These are crops. This community has nothing. They don't have river for fishing. They don't have a bush for hunting. They don't do goldsmithing. This is just their handwork. Their handwork is just to farm. And without notice, these people just came into this community and demolished all the crops. It is so disheartening. So disheartening. We are not talking about collecting land by force. We are talking about destruction of crops. These women planted these things against next year. Against next year. These are widows. These are women that have nothing at home.
Welcome back. As I've watched that video, that touching video, see how the poor women are crying of their crops be destroyed by the governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma. Team workers destroyed this particular farm. There should be a compensation to these particular women. You don't have to enter people's farm and destroy crop. You know that in every state now is facing hardship of a food. And the one we have, because you want to build mansion, build the heaven, and then you not destroy the crops, is totally unacceptable by these women. And some of them have vowed that they must see the head of this, that those who destroy this crop must pay the damage by doing this. Okay, my people, no be smart, things are happening, especially in Imo State. So let's go and look into the next Obonge news we will get for hand today. Stay tuned. The president of Gabon, don't cry, come outside though. He say more than make some noise. Me, I come dey ask, what kind of noise are we going to make? Is it, I don't understand the noise that we are going to make. He said that the people here have captured him and the wife and the sons are in another different location. Why is only one there? That the international community should make some noise. Well, my people, this kind of noise when they talk about, I don't understand though. If na noise that side already. As people they jubilate, they celebrate. This is a lesson to African leaders that a lot of things are happening. Just that the Nigeria youth are still sleeping. They are still in their deep sleep, and I don't think they are gonna wake up. And other Africans, if you are a leader, they elected you to work for them, not working for the West and working for the France and others in order way to marginalize more of your people. So your people should be your priority, because in here in Europe, in America, in other parts, they put their people first before any other thing. So you people, the leaders of Africa, should learn and learn how to put their people first before any other things. Okay, we are going to play you the video, and I don't know, maybe you can help him to shout here to make some noise as well. Okay, let's watch the video.
I'm Ali Bongo Ondimba, President of Gabon, and I'm to send a message to all the friends that we have all over the world, to tell them to make noise, For the people here have arrested me and my family. My son is somewhere, my wife is in another place, and I'm at the residence. Right now, I'm in the residence, and nothing is happening. I don't know what's going on. So I'm calling you to make noise, really. I'm thanking you. Thank you.
My people, welcome back. As I've watched that make some noise, guys, please don't forget to make some noise for the Ali Bongo in other way, for the international community to come for his rescue. But don't forget, when they send you to, when the people elected you to work, you work for the people. This is the problem Africa are doing. Do you know that there's something I observe in Europe? You may go to office, yes, you may be first to come, they attend to you, but the service they give to their people, they don't give it to the foreigners. You understand? So they value their citizens more than any other thing. So I don't, but in Africa, they don't even van, even though their citizens are dying in Mediterranean Sea, they don't care. Even the poor is getting worse. They don't even care. What they care is their lineage, their family, their wives, their children are okay. So they don't even care about the poor masses over there. And the time have come where the Africans have to wake up. You know, when Africa wake up, and they have to wake up in other way to save Africa from this mess, because we can't continue like this. So guys, now so we see am today. Oh, now we say make we bring and come give una. No be small thing. Abeg, make you no forget to follow this page, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. The reason why you have to go and subscribe to that YouTube channel is that anytime we do not see this page here, then we can continue over there before we can reinforce and come back to Facebook again. So I will leave a link of the YouTube under this video so that you can click and go there and subscribe immediately. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next episode of this wonderful channel.